12 January 2019, Shift 2, question number 20, memory based JEE Main. If yx satisfied the differential equation dy dx is equal to x square minus 2y divided by x, where y1 is equal to minus 2, then yx will passes through the point. 4 options are given. Here differential equation, given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to x square minus 2y divide x, implies dy dx is equal to x minus 2y by x, implies dy dx plus 2x into y x. Linear differential equation this shows, and integrating factor is if is equal to e to the power, this is our p and this is our q. Therefore integrating factor e is equal to e to the power integration p dx, e to the power 1 by x 2 by x dx is equal to e to the power 2 log of x, e to the power log x square, that is equal to x square. Integrating factor is equal to x square. Now the solutions is, y into x square is equal to integration x square into x dx, that is equal to integration x cube dx, that is equal to x to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Here what y1 is equal to minus 2, then yx passes through the point. Okay, y1 is equal to minus 2 means putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2 in this equation. Then we get y into minus 2 into 1 square means minus of 2 is equal to 1 by 4 plus c. Therefore c is equal to, implies c is equal to minus of 2 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 9 minus 9 by 4. Therefore the equation becomes x square y is equal to x to the power 4 by 4 minus 9 by 4. This is the equation. This is our required equation. Now putting 4 values in this, and which one is satisfied, this is our this point is passes through the, this equation is passes through the point. Okay, 0 root 3. Now x is equal to 0 means whole thing is 0, and this one is 0, and the 9 by 4 0 not is equal to 9. Option 1 is not satisfied. Now option 2, 3 square 3 x 3 square means 9, 0, this is 1 is 0. Now this is equal, this equal to option 2. Option 2 shows that putting the value x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0 in this. X is equal to 3 is becomes and y is 0. Left hand side is equal to 0 and right hand side is equal to x square 3 to the power 4 means this is not satisfying because 3 to the power 4 by 4 minus 9 by 4. 3 to the power 4 means 981 minus this is not satisfied. Option 3 is root 3 0. Root 3 0 means left hand side is equal to 0. Right hand side root 3 means this one 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 is equal to 0. It is satisfying. Therefore, option 3, root 3, option 3 means root 3 comma 0 is passes passing through the equation. This equation passes through the point. In short, it tells that this equation passes through the point. Therefore, option 3 is our correct option. That's all.